Really handsome.
All right.
Ready, buddy? Okay.
And he doesn't have a sharp pointy beak to jab us with.
Nope. And he doesn't even try me. Hold on. He's taking little handles. How do you guys get these in there?
He's bigger than that. Yay, Scoter.
Yeah, that's fun.
Oops. Let's try shaking some of these in there and see if he... I wouldn't put all of them in. Just to give him a little variety. He's focused on the fish.
Enjoying those, yeah.
He's probably like, I never have this many in one place in the wild.
He's not missing either. Doesn't seem to be interested in the crickets at all.
Yeah. Just wanted to try to give him a little variety, but apparently he'd much rather have the expensive minnows.
He's looked at it. He's no, I don't think so.
Yeah, he's good.
Bang is sitting
Please.
aside.
I'm trying to zoom in on him, but he's fast moving so much.
Your food is
Look at
riding on
The crickets are getting smart. They're riding on his back.